The Frizz Defense Salon Straightener. End your battle with frizz and create the ultimate polka straight results. Super Frizz Defense technology releases 60% more ions to eliminate static. It conditions the hair cuticle for ultimate frizz-free smoothness and enhanced shine. The Frizz Defense Salon Straightener features professional dual ceramic heating with super fast 15-second heat up and superior heat transfer. 11 heat settings for all hair types. Straightening plates with advanced SolGel technology and ceramic for ultimate glide. Apply your favourite heat protector, pre-section your hair and use a comb to detangle your first section. Place your hair straightener into the hair and glide down the section towards the ends. Repeat straightening through all hair sections. And that's how you create flawless polka straight results for healthy hair with perfect shine.